Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday to me. Happy birthday, happy birthday, happy birthday to me. Thank you, Mahal, for your treat today.
Yes.
Look at what he's having. Oodles and noodles and oodles of noodles for my birthday. Look at all yummy. Look at all those yummy.
Then I'm going to enjoy the noodles on your birthday.
Oh, I have cooking a lot. I'm cooking a lot of noodles. Punta ka sa birthday ko?
Saan?
Sabi dito, sa bahay. Oo, talaga birthday mo. Akala ko sinabi ni
Nino?
nung
Ano na rin?
No, Marie.
Yung
Yung
server
waitress,
mo?
oo. Kasi alam niya birthday ko eh.
Ganun ba?
Sinabi
ko.
niya.
Nulaan ko lang eh. Kasi
Inula,
nakapula kayo.
inulaan mo ba? Talaga ba? Pagka birthday, mula suot?
Di ba pag-
Oh my gosh. Oo, oo. Ayan. Kala ko sa akin na yung ano eh.
Yeah.
Kasi mag-ano ako eh, marami pa lang puro, yung palang naandun eh, puro lechon eh. Nasa freezer. Kaya makakapagpaksi ako ng lechon.
Yun.
Kaya ayun, makakasama tong buto-buto nito. Thank you.
Order ka pa rin siya pa. Gusto mo?
No more. Maraming sa refrigerator. Marami. Ay.
Pwede mo i-ship yan.
Yeah, we're good. Thank you. Oh, look at that. Yummy. Thank you, Mahal, for my treat. Alam mo ba kung bakit hindi ka binigyan? Nanalo ako ng 400 sa card mo eh.
Hihira ka naman. Kaya
It's,
pala kinawag pa yung post.
oh yeah?
Oo, ako alam nito.
Talaga ba? Okay, killing me softly. Yummy. Tumawag si Edward sa akin. Habang naglalaro ako kanina. Mabuti ah. Mabuti hindi live. Hindi Facebook. Hindi ano. Crispy pata. So good with yummy spicy vinegar and soy sauce combination. Yummy. With rice. Yummy. Okay, when you stop, they have to take it out. Look at that pile. That's the way to do it. Take it off, take it off. It's yummy part.